I'm Ryan Lavasser with Option 1 Real Estate. Welcome to Bella Vista Homes in Preston Estates.
Founded in 2005, Bella Vista Homes has become one of the largest home builders in the San Antonio area. We are proud to deliver a great product at a great service. Most of all, we like to provide a great experience for people that walk through our doors. Hi, my name is Jack Watkins with Bella Vista Homes in Preston Estates in Brownsville, Texas. When you walk into a Bella Vista home, you become a guest. And then once you decide to purchase a home with Bella Vista, you become a friend. After that, once you've closed on a home, you become part of the Bella Vista family. Also, one of the great things about Bella Vista Homes at Preston Estates, we offer granite countertops in all of our floor plans, tile in all of our wet areas as well, 10-foot ceilings when you walk into our homes. When you walk into one of our master bathrooms, you'll see one of our options that are available is the 42-inch walk-in shower. It's a mud set tile floor. Also, there is a bonus room option that makes this plan a 1.5 story. It also comes with a full bathroom upstairs as well. One of the great things about Bella Vista Homes at Preston Estates is that we are sitting on 60-foot wide lots here. It would be fantastic if you could come out and see what Bella Vista Homes has to offer at Preston Estates.
So come on out and enjoy some free barbecue while checking out the beautiful homes Bella Vista has to offer. We will also be giving away free copies of the best-selling book, How to Buy or Sell a Home Without Getting Screwed by Option 1 broker Jason Campbell.